Assalamu alaikum kids, I hope that you all are staying healthy. Well, this is your English teacher Ms. Javeria with something different today. Yes, my dear students, today we are not going to study anything. Today we are going to revise all the things that we have been studying since the month of July. So let's revise all the syllabus and all the work with me. Let's start with the first week of the month of July. In the first week, week 1, in the month of July, we started a chapter, Unit 1, Fiza's Family. In this chapter, we studied some alphabets, some vowels and some exercises of this related chapter, Unit number 1, Fiza's Family. Let's move towards the next week. In week 2, month of July, we continued this chapter, Unit 1, Fiza's Family, but we started a new lesson of this unit, that was lesson number 3, Can I Play? In this lesson, what we did? We did some difficult words, word sentences and exercises of the same lesson. Lesson number 3, Can I Play? Let's move towards week 3. In the week 3, month of July, we continued the same chapter, Unit number 1, Fiza's Family, and we did all the remaining exercises of this chapter. Now let's move towards week 4 for the month of July. If you remember that in week 4 we had Eid al-Azha holidays. So we did not study anything, we just revised all the things. So let's revise once again. In week 1, Unit 1, Fiza's Family. In week 2, the same unit but different lesson, Can I Play? Week 3, same unit, Fiza's Family, all the remaining exercises. Now let's move towards the next month, that was month of August. In the month of August, week 1, we started a new chapter, that was unit number 2, Monsters. In this chapter, we did some exercises, some word sentences, and we studied about nouns. We did definition and some exercises of this noun. Let's move towards week 2 for the month of August. In week 2, we continued this chapter, unit number 2, Monster, but we started a new lesson, that was lesson number 3, The Hungry Monster. And for this lesson, we studied some exercises of the concerned lesson. We did some difficult words and word sentences. Let's move towards week 3. In the week 3, we started a new chapter, that was unit number 3, I Want to Eat. And we did some exercises of this concerned chapter, that was unit number 3, I Want to Eat. Now let's move towards week 4 for the month of August. In week 4, we continued this chapter, unit number 3, I Want to Eat, and we did some exercises, some difficult words and word sentences of the same unit, that was unit number 3, I Want to Eat. Now let's move towards month of September, week 1. In the month of September, we continued this unit, unit number 3, I Want to Eat, and in this unit, we did one picture composition and one exercise that was about punctuations. So my dear students, let's repeat once again all the things that we have done since month of July. We studied unit 1, Fiza's Family, lesson 3, Can I Play? Unit 1, Fiza's Family exercises, then we had some holidays, then in the month of August, we started a new chapter, Monsters. We studied its lesson number 3, The Hungry Monster. Then we started a new chapter, I Want to Eat, with some exercises. We continued this chapter and did some exercises, difficult word sentences, picture composition and punctuation. Now here I have a very good news for you, that inshallah might be possible that in the month of September you are going to have a revision test. That would be your online revision test. And what is it about? It's all about your this work which we have just revised. Anything might come, difficult words, word sentences, your exercises, or maybe this picture composition, this punctuation, and all the remaining exercises. What you have to do, you have to memorize all the things very well. You have to re-watch the lesson video to understand it more nicely. Once again, you have to re-watch the video. Now let's discuss about the paper pattern for this revision test. You will be given 7 questions, out of which you will have to attempt 5 questions. The paper will be considered as of 25 marks. And you will be given 7 questions, out of which you will have to attempt 5 questions. In these questions, anything might come from this whole syllabus. So you have to memorize it carefully. You have to re-watch the video. You have to learn all the word sentences, difficult words. For the sentences, you must try to make your own sentences rather than just copying down all the things which you have already studied. For the grammar portion, you should practice the picture composition by your own. You can draw any picture and write 4 sentences about it. For the definitions, nouns and punctuations, you should practice all these things in your rough copy. You should prepare yourself for the revision test. I will catch you inshallah next week with another video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz. Goodbye.